The top 5 credit cards for millennials. Let's cash in.
Finance for the everyday millennial. Hard charging solutions. We provide an accelerant in the journey towards financial independence.
Hey RINOs, welcome back to Cash In with Cassian. Today, we're going to talk about 2 topics the media just can't seem to get enough of. Millennials and credit cards. Millennials make up the largest living generation in the United States today, and our spending is now estimated at $1.4 trillion annually. Several institutions have taken note of this financial muscle. As a result, they're creating products that make sense for today's consumers. So, let's take a look at credit cards to find the top 5 picks for millennial consumers. Number 1. The best credit card for millennials seeking to establish, build, or rebuild credit, Discover It. The Discover It family of cards includes a secured card that can help users establish new credit or rebuild poor credit. They also offer cashback and travel rewards options to help customers with good credit beef up their profile. All Discover cards come with no annual fee, and your interest rate will be varied based on your credit history. Number 2, the best credit card for millennials who enjoy home projects. Bank of America's customized cash rewards Visa. B of A has created the ultimate do-it-yourself rewards program with this card. Users get 3% cash back on spending made in the category of their choice, such as DIY home projects. Cash rewards don't expire, and you'll get a $200 online bonus for spending at least $1,000 within the first 90 days your account is open. There's no annual fee, and your terms and conditions will vary based on your credit history. Number 3, the best credit card for millennials who love rewards, Chase Sapphire Preferred. Chase pretty much rewrote the book on rewards with this Sapphire line of cards. The Sapphire Preferred offers rewards points on a slew of options like travel, purchases, hotel stays, groceries, dining out, streaming services, Lyft rides, and Peloton equipment. Users get 10% bonus points on the anniversary date of their account, along with 100,000 bonus points for spending $4,000 on the card within the first 90 days. Rewards this rich don't come free. You'll pay $95 annually in return for all these goodies. Number 4, the best credit card for foodies, American Express's Gold Card. Whether you're dining in, taking out, ordering in, or cooking for a crowd, the Amex Gold's got you covered. This card offers points on any type of dining experience, along with a $10 Uber Cash reward each month that can be put toward meals delivered through Uber Eats or rides on Uber. Users who make $4,000 in purchases in their first 6 months of card membership earn 60,000 membership rewards bonus points. Cost for these perks is $250 annually. Number 5, the best credit card for online shopping, PayPal Cashback Mastercard. Several credit cards allow users to choose a cashback category, but we found that a lot of these cards have loopholes. For simplicity and transparency, this card really stood out. Users earn unlimited 2% cashback on every purchase, so there's no need to select a category, track spending, or watch your limit to make sure you haven't gone over. This card has no annual fee, but you will need to create a PayPal account if you don't already have one in order to apply for this card. And the runner-up is Amazon's Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card. No top-ranked list is complete without at least one runner-up. Amazon Prime's rewards card offers users an unlimited 5% cash back on all purchases made online at Amazon or at Whole Foods Market, which is owned by Amazon. There's no annual fee, and users also get 2% back on purchases made at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% back on everything else. As a reminder, RINOs, always perform your due diligence before you apply for any new line of credit, including credit cards. Read the fine print to understand the full cost of credit, including annual fees, interest rates, over-the-limit fees, or late payment fees. Check your credit report and credit score to make sure there are no surprises that would cause a card issuer to reject your application. If you're not sure how to evaluate your current financial situation, go to RINOInvest.co and set up a discovery call with one of our RINO Invest financial advisors for a personal consultation. Until next time, thanks for watching, and remember, it's always a good time to cash in with Cassian.